Do you all know that if you've been denied any rights by these actors acting on the color of law, right? It's on the color of law. It's a violation, okay? So I've used this form several times. You can change it to your, liking. And if you notice, I change it to state citizen because technically you're not the state citizen. Your person is. Your all caps trade name, okay? And the recipient, I would change it to probably violator or tortfeasor, change it up to your liking. Get creative, right? Because we are creators. So this is what you can put. It depends on what it is. So if you read it, you can screenshot it and read it, because everyone that's getting homes, as they call it, real estate loans, you have to realize that you're getting a fish farm, and it's wise for you to look up the regulatory statutory code they use to describe the thing that we're purchasing or that we're acquiring, because we don't purchase things, right? We acquire. So if you look at 7 USC 1922, it will tell you what type of person is qualified for a real estate loan. All right, so based on that, this is what you can use. And if you screenshot it and look at it, if you read 1635 of Title 15 and you go to the UCC code under the Truth in Lending, 2A-505 means that it's an unconscionable contract and you have a right of rescission to cancel, okay? Because they're acting with unclean hands. And it's a breach of trust, because once they created the deed of trust and they have not given you all the actors that are operating under that umbrella, okay, you're left in the dark. Then they go ahead and they share your information, which is a violation of the Privacy Act and the Financial Privacy Act, because your information is non-public. You're not a public servant. You are in the private, and they're taking that information without your express written consent, sending it to all these people and selling your information, call it data elements, right? And then those parties turn around and harass you through the mail to intimidate you into giving them FRNs, floating rate notes, right? By using fictitious name and address, which is a violation of Title 18, 1341 and 1342, right? So they're using the scheme, right? They're devising a scheme to defraud you through the mail, to steal your consumer goods, right? So you do not have a commercial unless you're doing business out of that spot, okay? And you have the license. So just remember, you don't have a fish farm. Then you can, certify. I use declaration because, affidavits are for people who is going to go into court. I don't go to court. So you declare, I declare, blah, blah, blah. All right. And here's the law right down below. Tells you that any person that's doing blah, 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 and you know what a person is, right? So here are the codes and the definitions, because it's not for you. It's for the tortfeasor. All right. And then you can put a cease and desist on the bottom. That's what I did. I just plug it in there. All right. And tell them that they can seek legal counsel. And then you just put the first name that you're called by, and, and that's it. So this is a very simple form, use it to your advantage and get creative, I'd love to hear your feedback if anybody has used this before and what are your results. All right, share, like, and, subscribe to my channel. I have more information that I want to share with you guys. Share this with your family and friends. And I'm hoping to hear back from you guys as far as if you ever used this form before. All right, so have a pleasant day, and I'll catch y'all later. And this is for education purposes. Okay, we're just sharing information. No copyright violations here. We're using this under fair use. Have a blessed day.